This is Nour in the color Creamy Toffee. This is a new style by Noriko, a part of their new fall 2023 collection. A short, little voluminous, shaggy pixie cut. Let's get into it. I have long adored Noriko's short little pixie styles. They're a true shake and go or plug and chug wig, as I like to say. Very, very easy and affordable. This one was sent to me by Noriko. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, I'll attach a direct product link in the description. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So you can already see just how effortless this is. The messier it gets, the more beautiful. Right around a 4-inch bang. Now I took this right out of the box, guys. I gave it a shake and I just picked and fluffed to my natural look and movement. You really don't have to designate a parting space at all, so you could part it anywhere and make your bangs go off to the right or to the left. At around 4 inches, you have that flexibility. The crown is also about 4 inches, and then that boils down to a 2.5-inch nape. Now, it's shaggy all the way up through the back, so that gives you a cute little, weighs 2 ounces, guys. It's super lightweight. I don't even know what's on my head. Now, this fit is more average. I did have to cinch this in just a tad to accommodate a petite average circumference. So I feel like it would probably be best for that petite average circumference. I would have no way of testing for a large circumference on this. This feels like classic Noriko that I fell in love with all those years ago. So just look at this movement. This is regular synthetic fiber, so it's not heat friendly. And there's enough coarseness to these fibers. So it's going to be very impressionable. So it's a set it and forget it. You know, if you wanted to wear it up in a spiky do or something pulled back, you're not going to need product to hold it there. Like I say, very impressionable to just finger manipulation. And we'll get into some more of that in the styling, but how cute. Let's talk about this color, Creamy Toffee. Creamy Toffee has been around as long as Noriko has been around. I think it was one of their original blondes. I've seen this appear differently depending on what style it's on. This one is a very soft blend. It is not rooted. However, due to the highlight pattern, it may appear that it is rooted. It is not. This is a blend of some gold blonde, some wheat type blonde. It is more on the warm side, but like I said, very creamy and soft. On some applications of Creamy Toffee, it almost appears that it has some light auburn or strawberry in it. I'm not getting those intense rusty tones though in this particular blend. Pixies always work so well with glasses. This one is no exception. The glasses arms fit neatly and securely and comfortably between the ear and the ear tab. So a nice glasses friendly pixie style. So let's just move this around. These layers are so much fun to work with. Thank you for joining me today. We'll see you again real soon right here at TAZ's Wig Closet.